Today we have this amazing dancer who has back pain and upper back pain, and we're trying to, after the adjustment and therapy, what are we going to do to support her in between her visits? Right now, what's your pain level?
5 on my back, 8 upper.
Okay. If you look from the side, she has this hyperlordosis in the lower back, and then she has a straight neck, and that causes a compression and causes a lot of pain over here. Just go ahead and bend your knees, legs shoulder width apart. Good. This is the most neutral for your hips. When I grab the top bands, these are your lumbosacral. Just put this on level 2. What's the pain level?
Like a 30.
A 3. Okay, so that was instant.